Hello, everyone. Welcome to Say It in Spanish. Today, we will learn new Spanish words and phrases. How do you say this phrase in Spanish? You would say,
Echa un vistazo. Check it out. Echa un vistazo.
repeat after me now.
Echa un vistazo. Echa un vistazo.
How do you say this phrase in Spanish? You would say,
Come alimentos sanos. Eat healthy foods. Come alimentos sanos.
repeat after me now.
Come alimentos sanos. Come alimentos sanos. Tuve un mal día. I had a bad day. Tuve un mal día. ¿Estás seguro? Are you sure? ¿Estás seguro? ¿Seguro? Are you sure? ¿Seguro? Pensar en positivo. Think positive. Pensar en positivo. Piensa en positivo. Think positive. Piensa en positivo. La cosa se pone aún mejor. It gets even better. La cosa se pone aún mejor. Te invito a cenar. I will treat you dinner. Te invito a cenar. Te lo mereces. You deserve it. Te lo mereces. Te mereces lo mejor. You deserve the best. Te mereces lo mejor.
Thank you for watching. If you have a Spanish word or phrase you want to learn, write it in the comments section. To learn more Spanish, visit this playlist. Bye. Ciao.